So here we have taken a light blue sheet, making a greenery. Now taking a yellow sheet, rolling it up in this way to make a bee, as you can see in the video. Flying bee is ready. Amazing. In the next, we have taken a sheet, cut it out. Now taken another sheet of black. Now here we are making another insect in this way, as you can see in the video. Like this. Cute. Wow. Now we are going to make a crab by this sheet, folding it up in this way, as you can see. Now with the help of marker, making its hand, its smiley, its leg. Here we have taken a sheet, rolling each sheet into another in this way. That makes the snake tail. Now it's snake face. It's done. In the next, we have taken a sheet, cutting it up with measurement. Now rolling it up and pasting in this way, making its wing, put over it its eyes in this way. So again we are making insect in this way. Now taken a green color sheet, cutting it out with leaf, insect on the leaf. Now we are going to make a bug, a huge bug with the sheet, as you can see in the video. So just put all over and paste it in this way, as you can see in the video. Wow, amazing. Now we are going to make a silkworm on leaf. So just taking a tissue paper, rolling it up with the help of pen, pencil or any stick, and point it with a marker in this way, making its mouth, silkworm on the leaf. Now in the next, we have drawn bug, bee and butterfly, color it up in this way. So we are going to make a ring, so that we have drawn like this. Now it's turn to cut it out in this way. Cut the each edges in between and attached it with to complete its shape. Wow, amazing. Here bee is ready. Now butterfly is ready. You can use like this. Beautiful. In the next, we are going to make a bat. So take a sheet, cut its body and wing in this way. Now take another clip, paste all the part of the body over it in this way, making its face, pasting the wings over it, wrap it up with another slip of paper. It's ready. Now here we have taken a black sheet, fold it up in this way, as you can see in the video, cut it out in this way to make a web. Now spiral on it. It's ready. Now we are going to make a bee. So first we have taken a sheet, shape it up in this cut, in a heart cut. So taken another sheet, light blue sheet, put it all over together in this way, as you can see in the video. The heart shape bee is ready. Cute. Now proceeding to the next. Here we have taken a sheet, cut it, slip. Now folding it in this way and cutting the edges of the each side, and moving snake is ready. Wow, amazing. In the next, again we are going to make a heart bee, but here we are using a light blue sheet to make its wing in this way, as you can see. Wow, done. Thank you for watching.